Hey guys, how's it going? How to connect Google Workspace with Bluehost. Go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the best plan possible for your new journey. Now what I'm gonna do, basically let me close this window and go ahead to the official website. First, click the marketplace on the left hand menu. Okay, scroll down to locate the Google Workspace option and then click claim offer, right here on your right, and select the Google Workspace package that fits your business needs. You have the business starter, business standard, and you have business plus. Okay, and set the number of users and then click the continue button. Okay, and ensure you select the correct domain from your Google Workspace account. I want to use domain name I already own, or search and register a new domain, and then just click search for domain. And basically if you want complete the payment transaction. Okay, so if you want to set up Google Workspace, first of all, domain register with Bluehost. When setting up Google Workspace, keep in mind that MX record for domain registered with Bluehost are automatically configured. To set up Google Workspace for a domain registered with Bluehost, follow the steps below. After purchase, your account for example is now ready to use. Okay. If you missed or closed the alert button, you could click the email and office tab on the left hand menu and then select Google Workspace. Okay. If you have multiple Google Workspace plans in your account, locate the domain that you just used to sign up and then just click setup. Right. It also the one with the pending setup status. Right. And then a pop-up window will appear notifying you that you are about to set up your domain for Google Workspace. Click get started. Right, enter your new email, first name, last name, organization name, which is optional. Click continue, and in the next pop-up add the recovery email, right, and then click setup. Another pop-up window will appear, right, prompting you to reconfigure your DNS record for Google Workspace, right, and check the box that says yes, I want to reconfigure my DNS for Google Workspace, and then click update DNS. Okay. And if you select skip for now, you can still update your DNS later, but you will see the red notification right here, and a notification will appear indicating that domain's DNS is configured right here, and may take up to 72 hours. All right, so that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.